Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize WhatsApp theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp and then I'm going to go to the WhatsApp setting to customize my theme. We can click on these three dots on the top right and then we're going to go to the settings and then here we need to select the chats menu. Okay, in this chats menu, we'll be able to customize our theme. For the theme, I'm just going to choose my system default. Okay, and then I'm going to change my chat theme. Okay, guys, and these are the available theme we can apply to our WhatsApp. Okay, and to customize your theme, you can change the chat color and also the wallpaper. But actually, you can choose the available theme right here, guys. Wait, I'm going to try it. Okay, like this. We can change the color as well here. Okay, we can choose between day and night. I mean dark theme and light theme. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to go to the chat color. For the chat color, I'm going to choose purple. Okay, and this is for the preview and I'm going to click on the check mark. I'm going to set this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the wallpaper. My current wallpaper is from my device. Here you can either choose from your gallery or you can choose the default wallpaper right here. If you cannot find the wallpaper that you like here, you can choose photo from your gallery. But here I'm just going to choose the wallpaper here, guys. I'm going to choose the dark wallpaper. Wait, I'm still looking for it. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, it looks cool, right? And then wait, I'm going to oops. Okay, and this is the preview. And then you can increase the brightness right here. I'm just going to make it darker. If you want to make it full black, you just need to decrease the brightness and your wallpaper will be black. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to click on the check mark and click on set theme. Okay, now it's done, guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize theme on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.